Today I'll show you how you can change the font sizes of headings and paragraphs in 2020 on WordPress theme. Now to do this, first go to your WordPress admin, then go to appearance, then go to customize. Here go to additional CSS. Now in the additional CSS box, enter the CSS codes given in the description of the video. The first CSS code is for changing the font size of the blog post heading. Here enter the size you want your blog post heading to have, like for example 20 pixel, 100 pixel, or whatever looks good on your website. Once you have added the size of the font, click on the publish button to save the changes. There you go, the heading size is now small. Now if the second CSS code is to change the font size of H1 heading. Again, in font size, enter the size you want your heading to have. After that, click on the publish button to save it. After that, now to change the H2 heading, use the third CSS code. Again, change the font size to whatever you like. So this H2 CSS code will change the font size of H2 heading, and the H3 CSS code will change the font size of H3 heading. There you go. Now let's see how you can change the font sizes of paragraphs. Here also enter the font size you would like your paragraph to have. After that, click on publish. And that is how you can change the font sizes of 2020 on WordPress theme. All the CSS codes are given in the description of the video. Thank you.